Tired of task management tools that feel more like a tangled web than a helping hand? Let's transform that chaos into clarity with Airtable, your secret weapon for streamlined task management. First, we will start with a new base in Airtable. Select Start from Scratch and give your base a relevant name. Then, create a new table specifically for task management. Think of tables as spreadsheets, but way more powerful. Rename the default fields to something relevant like task name, assignee, due date, and status. Airtable's flexibility shines with its field types. Choose Single Select for status, allowing options like to do, in progress, and completed. Use the date field for due dates, and multiple select for categories or tags. Assign tasks by using the collaborator field to invite your team members. Now, let's visualize our tasks differently. Airtable offers various views. Grid view is your classic spreadsheet, but Kanban. Drag and drop tasks between status columns for an intuitive workflow. Need a calendar? The calendar view displays your tasks by due date. Feeling creative? Gallery view is perfect for visual-driven tasks, like design projects. To manage complex projects, link records between tables. For example, link tasks to related projects or create subtasks within a larger task. Airtable's link to another record field type can help with this. Use formulas to calculate progress and track key metrics. For instance, you can create a formula to automatically calculate the percentage of completed tasks in a project. Airtable will do the hard work so you can focus on completing tasks. Collaboration is key. Assign tasks directly within Airtable, add comments to provide feedback, and share specific views with your team to maintain focus. Airtable can be integrated with other apps, such as Slack, Google Calendar, and others. You can set up triggers to send notifications to Slack when a task is assigned. For example, Airtable adapts to your needs, making it the perfect task management solution for individuals and teams. Go ahead, start managing your tasks more efficiently and unlock your full potential.